Back on the job, people. Have you seen this before? Toilet just running. I'm gonna need to take this panel off. So let's get to it. Panels off, toilet system's behind there. What do we have there? We've got a lot of access, but I think we'll be able to get to it. First thing we need to do is isolate from that valve down there. Or might be able to isolate from here. There. Let's turn the water off to the system now. So now let's take a look at the siphon, because that's the first thing I'm going to go for. Why the toilet keeps on running and letting that water by into the toilet pan itself. So you can see the water's not running into the toilet pan at the moment. So let's get that siphon out and have a look at that. And they're just quarter turn siphons. So they're easy to take out. And that's the state of it at the moment. All that chalk deposit. You can see. Show you how thick it is. Yeah, this is like embarrassing bodies. Look. That is in your diet. No, I'm joking. But that is the thickness of it. So yeah, definitely be changing that. Let's get the new one. So we're back in business. This side. Let's get that one. New one on. I'm going to slide it down and click it into place. Don't know whether I'll be able to do it holding my phone at the same time, but we're going to give it a try. Hopefully, you want to make sure that these top parts are in, because without them in, you're not gonna get that action working. And it does work, it's just up on the side, isn't it, obviously. But let's see what we could do. This is where the all important having small hands, like my kids having big hands, comes into play. There we go. So what we want to do now is, there you guys can just about, well, there, the system's back in place, so it's just there, and I'm gonna open this valve, which is a filling valve for the toilet. As you can hear, it's starting to fill up now. So now we'll check inside the pan to see if the water is building back up in it. It shouldn't do, but we'll have a little look just to test, and we'll test the appliance after. So we just changed that siphon. There's a new one in there now. And the problem which was just like letting by for the toilet was that seal at the bottom, which can be replaced, but at the state of all of this, you might as well just replace the whole thing. The only thing I didn't replace was this bottom clip, which I didn't need to really, but Yeah, it's a good thing I didn't try that one anyway, because that bit's busted off. But anyway, this is the whole point, people. Diagnosing your problems when you get there. I've seen this loads of times, so I knew what it was straight away. So yeah, that's just a quick tip video from Mr. London Plumber. That's a dual flush toilet system. So number 1's is there, number 2's is there. Big button, small button. That's it. So I'm gonna test this in a minute and just see how it's getting along once the toilet fills up. Just get in there. Now, so as you guys can see, we haven't got any like trickles on the water, so that's done the job. And what we're going to do, just going to practice flush. That one there's a thumbs up, people.